Hi everybody, welcome to the studio. Today I'm going to teach you some useful English using the song Losing My Religion by R.E.M. This song deals with themes of frustration and emotional vulnerability. Despite its title, it's not about religion. The phrase losing my religion is popular in the southern states of the USA, and it means losing my temper or my composure. Today we are going to practice three things. First, a very useful phrasal verb to set it up. Second, some vocab, spotlight and flailing. Third, some pronunciation. Let's start with the phrasal verb to set it up. Oh no, I said too much. I set it up. To set it up, to prepare or to arrange something. Have you ever set up an important meeting? Ask me how I would set up a family gathering. I would set up a family gathering by setting up a WhatsApp group. Okay, second section, let's do some vocabulary. That's me in the corner. That's me in the spotlight, losing my religion. The spotlight, to be the center of attention or focus. Do you like to be in the spotlight or do you prefer to be in the background? An example in a sentence: he was in the spotlight after he won the award. What if all these fantasies come flailing around? Flailing, to move around energetically with no control. I'm flailing my arms. Help! Let's practice some pronunciation. The word we're going to practice today is laughing. I thought that I heard you laughing. I thought that I heard you sing. Laughing. Have you ever cried from laughing? Aaron, have you ever cried from laughing? Yes, I have cried from laughing many times. I love it. Alright, let's try a bonus phrasal verb. To keep up. To stay at the same speed. Trying to keep up with you, but I don't know if I can do it. To keep up. My friend runs really fast. I can't keep up with him. I have so much study to do, I can't keep up with the rest of the class. Okay, quiz time. Check this out. Complete the sentence with the right verb in the simple past. Thought that I heard you laughing. Alright, did you get it? I thought that I heard you laughing. The simple past of the verb to hear. What is the meaning of the phrasal verb to keep up in the context of the song? Did you get the right answer? Yeah. Oh